Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome back to brand new video. In this video I'm going to explore our coconut trees which we planted in our garden or in our project. So hope you'll enjoy by watching this video. This is the one of them coconut tree, and it's growing so fast and it's healthy, but right now it's fruitless because its age is so small, that's why. But maybe 1 or 2 years later it will bear fruits, I hope that. And this is also another trees. It's also weak and it's growing slowly because it's unhealthy and weak, that's why it's small. But all the coconut trees we planted in one time or 1 year or 1 month. So this is the one of the so nice and beautiful colorful coconut trees, and I want to show you the guys the leaf of the trees that is so colorful and wonderful. As you can see this, okay, this is the upper view of trees and leaf of the trees that is so artistic, and I think like this, and it's so nice. As you can see, upper top view of this tree, of this leaf, as you can see this. Okay, so I want to show you the guys everything, how beautiful and what the structural view of coconut trees leaf. Okay, and this is, as you can see this, and it's one of other coconut tree and it's growing so fast. Hope 1 or 2 years later it will bear fruit, but right now it's fruitless. So that's all about our trees. But we have lots of coconut trees like this, 10 or 15, but I can't show you the guys right now because if I do, then video will so long and it will embarrassing this video, because I want to show the guys the view or picture of Bangladeshi coconut tree and Deshi coconut tree, which is so rare, but hope everyone will plant this tree, coconut tree. Thank you for watching this video. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.